Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love working with older individuals, and something that I tend to have to address pretty often is somebody's posture, okay? Um, Unfortunately, as we age, we do tend to start to bend against gravity. Okay, so the exercise I'm going to show you today with one of my ladies is how to counter this bend, okay, from their favorite spot, the recliner. Okay, so how do we improve someone's posture in a recliner? Let me show you. Ready? Here we go. Good. Go ahead and rock forward and then pull back, 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 back. Good. Yep. Use your arms. Bring your head back, chin back, chin back. Good. Try to hit your head against that blanket. Try to feel that blanket. Good. Keep going. Keep going. One more. All right, so in the video that you guys watched, you're gonna see that the recliner is the starting spot. Okay, that's where we find most older individuals, is sitting in their spot, right? And it tends to be a recliner. And so what I like to do is to tell my client to scoot their butt or their back against the recliner. Okay, put their hands on the armrests. And what we're trying to do is to have them actually push their body back into the recliner. Okay, and guess what? After the first one, they say, this is hard. But physical therapy is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You have to build on the movements to get the momentum to get the results. Okay, so their butt is against the recliner, their arms are on the armrest, and they're starting to lean back into the recliner. Then I start telling them to push their head back into the recliner. And at the beginning, their head is not going to touch the recliner, especially if they're normally bent like this, okay? But you will see, especially in the video, about how after about 10 reps, she starts being able to actually have her head touch the recliner. And it may look basic, but this is actually a really good postural exercise for an older individual because they feel safe. They're in their safe spot. They're in their recliner, but they're still getting the benefit of an exercise and a movement to help counter against gravity. Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.